activity, we will test your ability to hear the difference between the L sound and the U or O sounds in words. You will hear 4 words, and you will have to make 4 decisions. We start at 1. After hearing each word, you'll have to make a decision. Turn left or turn right, based on what sound you hear in each word. If you don't hear the L sound in the word, you have to turn to the left. And if you hear the L sound in the word, you have to turn to the right. After 4 words, we will arrive in a city. Your job is to correctly guess the name of the city where we have arrived. Let's do an example. Told, told. We're going to the right. Still, still. We're going to the right. Rose, rose. We're going to the left. Failed, failed. We're going to the right. And we are in Seattle. Can you pronounce the final L sound in Seattle? In the first set of words, I will say each word twice, and you can see the word pairs on the screen. Are you ready? Feud, feud. Feel, feel. Sewed, sewed. Wild, wild. Where are we? Write the name of the city in the comments. In the second set of words, I will say each word only once, but you can still see the word pairs on the screen. Are you ready? Whole, mayo, sold, pool. Where are we? In the third set of words, I will cover my mouth like this. So you cannot see how I move my lips and tongue, but I will say each word twice, and you can see the word pairs on the screen. Are you ready? Boy, boy. Male, male. Holes, holes. So, so. Where are we? In the fourth set of words, I will keep my mouth covered and I will say each word only once. You will still see the words on the screen. Ready? Bow, 2, stew, bowl. Where are we?